POV. You arrive at your event. Footage is captured before, during, and after your performance. You have a marketing manager by your side capturing marketing content. You can relax, breathe, and be in the moment, knowing your most important moments are being captured for you. You check your local news and you see your face. You have professional marketing content posted to social media that's connected to your website. Your website and email marketing is being handled for you. Your fans get auto email and text alerts when you're about to make a new drop. Your online shop and booking is managed for you. You get alerts about new bookings and sales. Peace, DJBrandice. This is your business and marketing success manager, Money Mike 404, here to deliver your one-on-one pre-recording. Peace, DJBrandice. It's been great getting to know you and meeting you at the park. From our conversations, here's what I've gathered so far. Your main pain points are landing gigs, and you can use some help with growing your fan base. You're also currently handling your marketing and your business strategy alone, and you don't currently have a full lead generation strategy. You may need some help with branding, and also you may need some website management. So far, we've discussed your niche being more positive and or Christian hip hop. So with that in mind, I've devised a 12-month growth strategy for you to help you to accomplish your goals. You'll notice in the package flexible options for you to choose from. If right now you don't quite have a marketing budget, you can start with our free tier. You'll get one news write-up. You and I will do another live. Now use that content and I'll do a full news write-up. And you and I will work together to get that out to some local news outlets. And you'll get 30 days of having a free landing page on our site to drive as many fans as you possibly can in those 30 days to that site. And you'll receive email alerts. That's our free tier to you. You'll get 2 of those. Thank you. Now, if you're really ready to truly grow your brand and you're truly ready to reach your goals and you're looking for a full 12-month growth strategy, you'll notice 3 premium options for you to choose from, each having their own different benefits. Please feel free to click in to find out what's included with what. If you have any questions, make sure you send our support team an email and I'll be sure to get back to you as quickly as possible. Now, as you may have heard, we are only accepting 40 creators in our premium tier for the year. Once we receive our 40, we won't be accepting any new creators until next year. So if you know for sure that you want that 12-month strategy and you want to lock in your spot, I would highly recommend you go ahead and do that. Go ahead and make your down payment so that you can lock in your spot for the premium tier. Once we reach our 40, we will not be accepting any new creators until next year. All right. I hope you enjoyed your growth strategy, and I look forward to speaking to you further. Peace.